Okay, these two engines are matching, and so this is the setup that I think you're interested in. The space on the other one, it's just really tight back in here. I don't know how much you can see.